Hi, I'm Ivy with WTI, and are you also missing an aux port in your old car? Then you've come to the right place.
One of the first things that I love about this thing is that it's super small. So it's not obstructive or it doesn't look all wonky inside of my car. As you can see, it has a lot of functions. I love that I can charge my phone, but also connect an aux cable if I wanted to. I have the option of also picking up calls or hanging up, as well as skipping a song or going back. This is what the Bluetooth transmitter looked like inside of my car. I really appreciate how the radio station where it's set is displayed right in the front, so it's very easy for me to automatically tune in to whatever station my songs or whatever audio I'm listening to is being transmitted to. And what I love most about it is that it glows in the dark. It makes it super easy to use this transmitter even at night while you're driving.
I cannot believe I was driving around my car without this Bluetooth transmitter, but that's just my point of view.